All right, you guys, normally I usually do sailboat stuff, but this one was a bit too good to let up not showing you guys. This is a vintage Italian made folding bike. It's Amica, it looks like. And I'll just zoom in here. Right, made in Italy by Carnelli, it looks like. I have no idea how old this bike is, but the details are amazing. And the fact of its condition at this age, apparently it was just basically barnyard kind of style find. It's just taken out of storage. It's one of my neighbor's bikes. But everything's just solid state on this thing. It's really kind of cool how it's been engineered. Right? The brakes are rubber with the fiber in it. Okay, it has the generator, stock generator kit on it. Some stainless fenders, some nylon grips, and it's got the three speed on there. It's actually a really cool bike. Little bell on there. Solid leather seat with spring suspension, and just the amount of attention to detail on this thing is just amazing. Nice heavy duty. The wiring from the generator actually runs all the way back, and check this out, it actually has holes in the tube to run all the lines too, and it's folding, so nice heavy duty section there. I just wanted to show you guys this amazing piece of riding history, it looks like. It actually comes with this bike pump for the tires and a little tool thing there too that holds it all in place. Really, really cool. What an amazing find.